Good morning, children. Welcome back to our IT class. Today we are going to discuss continuation of chapter 6, HTML list and tables. In last class, we have discussed tables in HTML. Tables means it's a collection of data or information in the form of rows and columns. Tables are creating using table tag. And table have 4 child tags: caption, tr, td and th. So today we will discuss tr tag and td tags. Td means table data. We can represent td tag like this. Then next, tr means table row. We can represent table row using tr tag. Then let's discuss different attributes of td tag and tr tags. Attributes of td tags. These are the attributes of td tag. First one is align attribute. Second one, bg color. Third one, width. Fourth one, a row span. Fifth one, code span. And the last one is v align. So these are the attributes of td tags. First one is align attribute. This align attribute is used to set display position of the text in a cell horizontally. It can take the following 4 types of values. First one, justify. Second one, third one, left. Fourth one, right. These are the 4 values that we can give for this align attribute. Justify structures the content of a cell so that each character has equal width. Second one, center. Center, align the text in the cell to the center. Next is left. Left, align text in the cell to the left edge of the cell. Next is right. The right, align the text of the cell to the right edge of the cell. So these are the 4 values that we can give for align attribute. Next is bg color. Bg color attribute is used for giving background color for an individual cell. For example, you can write like this: td space bg color equal to pink, so that particular cell will get the background color pink. Next is width attribute. Width attribute defines width of an individual cell. It can be specified using pixel as well as percentage. For example, you can write td width is equal to 100 pixel. Otherwise, you can write td width is equal to 50%. Next is row span attribute. The row span attribute applies when a single cell is extended for more than a single row. This is a table with 2 rows and 3 columns. Here I am applying a row span attribute in the first cell. Then it will merge the 2 rows. Then after giving row span, the table will look like this. That is, the 2 rows got merged. This is called row span. Next is code span attribute. The code span attribute is applies when a single cell is extended to more than a single column. Code span attribute like this: td code span equal to 2 or 3, any value you can give, with the 2 rows and 3 columns. If I am applying a code span in the first cell, that is code span is equal to 2, then it will merge the first two columns. This is first column, second column. This will merge first two columns. Then after applying the call span, the table will look like this. Here two columns got merged. This is called call span. Next is v-align attribute. We have learned align attribute. Align is horizontal alignment of the data in the cell. But v-align is used to align the text vertically. The v-align attribute is used to align the position of the text in the cell vertically. It can take three values. First one, top. Second one, center. Third one, bottom. These are the three values that we can apply for v-align attribute. For example, if I am giving value of v-align as top, then it will align the text to the top position of the cell. If I am giving bottom, then it will align the text to the bottom position of the cell. Then one more value we can give, that is center. Then the position of the text will remain in the center.
Attributes of TD tags. There are different attributes for TD tag: align, v-align, BG color, width, row span and column span. Let's see how to do this. First I have created a table here. Next we can create attributes of TD tag. First one is align attribute. Align is used to set display position of the text in a cell horizontally. That is, align used for horizontal alignment of the text. Next is v-align attribute. V-align attribute is used to align position of the text in the cell vertically. That is, vertical alignment of the text can be done using v-align attribute. Here, let's apply v-align. So this is vertical alignment. This v-align attribute can take three values: top, middle and bottom. Here I am going to give top. See, the text moved to the top of the cell. Next value is middle. Refresh. So the text moved to the middle of the cell. Next we can give bottom. Save and refresh. So the text moved to the bottom of the cell. This is called vertical alignment. To give vertical alignment of the text, we can use v-align. So v-align has three values: top, bottom and middle. Next attribute is BG color. BG color attribute used for giving background color to individual cell. Here I am going to give color for this particular cell. So you have to give TD space BG color. Equal to yellow. Save and refresh. See, the background color of this particular cell got changed to yellow. Next attribute is width. The width attribute defines width of an individual cell. It can express in pixel or percentage. Here I am going to set width of this particular cell having data area. So I am going to set the width of the text as 50%. refresh. So width of the particular cell is increased. Row span. Row span attribute applies when a single cell is extended for more than a single row. Here I am going to apply row span to this table. That is, we can merge these rows using row span option. Here I am going to merge these two rows. The first cell of these two rows I am going to merge. For this, you have to write like this. In first row, this is the first row, first data, I have to give row span is equal to 2. That means we are going to merge two cells. Then save the program and refresh. See, the two cells in the rows got merged. This is done by using row span option. If you want to merge these cell also, then you have to write td row span equal to 3. Then save and refresh. See, the three cells in the rows got merged. So for this, we are using a row span option. Next is call span. Call span attribute applies when a single cell is extended to more than a single column. There is a table. Here we are going to merge these three columns. Second column, third column and fourth column we are going to merge. For this we can apply call span. So in the first row, the three columns, second column, third column and fourth column we are going to merge. For this we can use call span. So for this is the first row. In second column, we are going to apply this call span option. Give call span is equal to 3. That is, we are going to merge three columns, second, third and fourth. And refresh. See, the three columns got merged. If you want to merge these two columns, that is in third row, the first two columns you want to merge. So you have to go to third row. This is second row, then this is third row. In third row, we are going to merge first two columns. So for this, here we are going to apply call span. So td space call span is equal to 2. That means we are going to merge two cells. In the third row, first and second cell we are going to merge. Save and refresh. See, the two cells in the third row got merged using call span option. Let's do textbook exercise. Page number 84. Take the correct option. First question. The tag which allows the user to insert a table in a web page. Answer is table.
Well done.
Second question. The attribute of the table tag that gives the space between the adjacent cells. Answer is cell spacing.
Well done.
Third question. A numbered list can be created by using dash tag. Answer is OL tag.
Well done.
Fourth question. Which of these is not an attribute of table tag? In this option, type is not an attribute of table tag.
Well done.
Fifth question. Which of the following attributes is used to set the display position of the text in a cell horizontally? Answer is align.
Well done.
Next is fill in the blanks using the words given below. Here, 5 options are there: disk, ordered list, list item, caption, UL tag. The first question. The OL tag is used to create an ordered list.
Well done.
Second question. The LI tag is used to define list item.
Well done.
Third question. The type is an attribute of dash tag. Answer is UL tag.
Well done.
Fourth question. By default, the dash symbol is displayed on a web page when we use UL tag. Answer is disk.
Well done.
Fifth question. The dash tag creates table caption in HTML web page. Answer is caption.
Well done.
Children, let's have a look at the question paper pattern of your first time examination. It will be out of 70 and time will be for 2 hours. Then the question paper contains 5 sections. First one is multiple choice questions. Second one short answer questions. Third one answer the following questions. Fourth one case based questions. And fifth one application level questions. The first part, that is multiple choice questions, that is out of 14. That is there will be 14 questions which carry 1 mark. Second part is short answer questions. There will be 6 questions which carries 3 marks. Then third section, answer the following questions. This is, there will be 6 questions which carries 4 marks each. So out of 24 for this section. Then next is case based questions. That is out of 7. There will be either one question or sub question also will be there. Case based means we will give some situations and we will ask some questions based on that situation. So you have to read the textbook carefully, then only you can answer this question. This will be indirect questions. Next is application level questions. Here you have to write code for the HTML pages that we have given. So total 28 questions will be there. If you have any doubts in this question paper, we will discuss it in live class.
So children, we have come to the end of today's session. Today we have learned the attributes of TD tag and TR tag. So which are the attributes of TD tags? Align, BG color, width, row span, code span. So we have finished 3 chapters for the first time examination. All of you read the textbook and study well and try to get good marks in the first time examination. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.